In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online for your business. If you're keeping your books up to date, categorizing transactions correctly is one of the most important habits to build. It helps keep your financial reports accurate, makes tax time easier, and gives you a much clearer picture of where your money is going. In QuickBooks Online, this process is simple once you know where to look and what to check before you add anything. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and go to the Transactions menu, then select Bank Transactions. This is the area where imported activity from your connected bank or credit card accounts appears. Once you're there, choose the account you want to review. Make sure you're looking at the right account before continuing, since each account will have its own list of transactions waiting to be reviewed. Next, click on a pending transaction. A pending transaction is one that QuickBooks has imported, but that still needs your review before it's added to your books. When you open it, you'll see details like the date, description, and amount. This is the point where you assign the correct category. In the category field, choose the account that best fits the transaction. For example, if the purchase was for supplies used in running the business, you might select something like Office Expenses. Choosing the right category matters because this is how QuickBooks organizes the transaction in your financial statements. If you're ever unsure, slow down and read the category names carefully so you don't accidentally misclassify the expense. After that, add a payee. The payee is the vendor, company, or person connected to the transaction. Including the payee helps keep your records cleaner and makes it easier to search for transactions later. Even though categorizing is the main task, adding this detail now can save time down the road. Once the category and payee look correct, click Add. This tells QuickBooks to record the transaction in your books using the information you selected. It's a quick step, but it's worth taking a moment to review everything before you confirm. There is one important exception to keep in mind. If QuickBooks identifies that the transaction already matches an existing invoice or bill, choose Match instead of Add. This is very important because using Match connects the bank transaction to the record that already exists in QuickBooks. If you click Add in that situation, you could create a duplicate entry, which can throw off your reports and make reconciliation more difficult. That's how to categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online for your business accurately and efficiently.